Ever caught yourself yawning and wondered why it's so contagious? It turns out, yawning isn't just about boredom or sleepiness. Scientists have discovered that yawning actually helps cool down your brain. When you yawn, you take in a deep breath of air and stretch your jaw, which increases blood flow to your head and promotes heat exchange. This process helps lower your brain's temperature, keeping it at an optimal level for sharp thinking and alertness. So next time you yawn, remember, your brain is just keeping itself cool and ready to perform.